Most twin outboard sport boats top out in the low 40s. The Azimut Verve 48 starts where they stop, 50 knots carbon fiber construction and a hull engineered by Michael Peters, built by Azimut in Italy, part of the Verve series, Azimut's outboard-powered sport range. The superstructure is laminated in carbon fiber, cutting weight up to 30% without giving up interior volume. 3 Mercury Verado outboards, 600 horsepower each, 1,800 horsepower total, top end 50 knots, cruise at 37 knots, fuel capacity 618 gallons. For full range and fuel burn data by sea state, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. 49 feet, 4 inches overall, 13 feet 5 inches of beam, 4 feet 3 inches of draft, a stepped V-hull with a ventilated tunnel aft, engineered for stability and hard turns at speed. The Carbon Tech build isn't just lighter, it drops the boat's roll momentum by up to 15%. The cockpit transforms in seconds. A full-size table that disappears into the sole, a deployable TV, and a complete galley island with wet bar, ice maker, and grill. At the helm, a Raymarine integrated racing dashboard puts engines, tanks, and climate control on one display or on your phone. Below deck, 2 cabins and a head finished with the same restraint as the exterior, low-profile lighting, tailored upholstery, a foredeck that converts for extra sleeping. Bottom line, the Verve 48 is built for owners who want triple outboard performance without stepping down from Azimut craftsmanship. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.